Welcome back to Junebug Design Tutorials. This tutorial is to help you download and print the orders that you've placed on your Etsy store. When you place your Etsy order, you will receive an email letting you know that your files are ready for download. If you do not receive an email, you can locate your files in your Etsy account. Please make sure that you're going through a browser, as the files will not be showing up in the Etsy app. You're going to go ahead and log into your Etsy account. You're going to go ahead and go to your profile. You're going to click down, go to purchase. It's going to bring you to all of your orders. You're going to go ahead and press download file right next to the order that you want to download. And that will take you to your downloads page, where you can locate all the files that are ready to be downloaded. Now if you've downloaded your file, you're ready to print. You're going to bring up your file. You're going to go ahead and select File, Print. That's going to bring up a menu box. We're going to make sure that we pick Photo on Photo Paper. We're going to make sure that we also select US Letter, which is the size of this paper. And we're also going to pick Portrait as the orientation. And then you're ready to print. If you like this tutorial, please go ahead and give us a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.